Hi, this is JB with Brizy, and we are inviting you to become a beta tester if you are interested. Simply click on the link in the description below, and that will take you to the application area. Once you have submitted your application, you'll go through an approval process, and once that is done, you'll get an email confirming that you've been accepted to the program. Beta testing will allow you to try new features in upcoming releases of Brizy. The idea is that you will test it on a local host or a site that you are not serious about, and please do not use it on a live site. If you find any bugs, make sure that you go to the support area, support.brizy.io, and submit a request and telling us the release of the beta as well as the bugs that you have found. This is our goal to make Brizy a better product through the beta testing program.